Unprecedented destruction tonight as the 110-meter mecha current lays waste to the Hardons.
Governments are failing. The mechanical titan is unstoppable.
We believe them to be monsters, but Kong shows us they are capable of profound connection.
I demand recognition. You cannot ignore the facts presented here today.
Sit down, sir. You are out of order.
If you destroy Kong, you destroy our only defense.
He saved us before. He is listening. He's coming.
We're nearing the drop zone. Tokyo sector. Squadrons, weapons free. Target the chest plate.
Missiles away. Impact in 3.
It's swatting Echo 2. Eject! Eject! Mayday!
Come on. Hear us.
We built him to protect us, but now the consequences of our ambition are realized. Energy weapon discharge sound.
Run! Get back!
The whole thing is coming down.
Look! He's protecting us. Fight back at Kong! You are the king!
System failure sound.
It's over.
For centuries, they ruled this land. Now, they look to us not with anger, but with respect.
The kings retreat to their domain, leaving the ruins of ours behind.
Even the mightiest machines fall silent. But now,
a new power awakens.